Alright, it's been a long time since we've been out here working on this. Today we're going to be working on the frame here. We're going to be painting it, and yep, that's what we're doing. I know it's been a long time since our last Caboose video, so it's about time we get working on it again. Now we're just cleaning up the sides, steel wool, just getting it ready for paint. Cleaning up the metal, make sure it's nice and clean. I don't know.
Yeah.
It's sounding redundant with that.
That's what we do.
Yeah. Almost ready for paint. Now we got a file, and we're just filing away the rougher spots on here, still prepping it for paint. If you watched a few episodes ago, I don't know how many it was, we bought some of this Rust-Oleum high performance enamel paint for the frame, black paint, because we ran out of it for something else we did. Oh yeah, the trucks. So we got some of that, and then I found some primer inside.
No, come around. I'm gonna put those. Where it's black, you don't have to go too heavy.
So there is our finished job. It's not totally done yet, but there's our finished job of primer on the frame. Our next step is to let that dry and then paint it. Paint it black with the paint we have. Please excuse the screaming children at the park down the street.
What they are?
Yeah, or they could be like rats that have really high-pitched voices. I'm sorry, that's the only animal I could think of at like on the spot moment. On a side note, we remember the wire brush tool we got a few episodes back, and we got that to polish up the couplers. And can you show the camera what it looks like? We wanted to bring it back to its original brass look, and it's looking pretty cool. So that's what we're doing right now. Is on a side note, is that primer dry. I love that brass look. That just looks so cool. The shiny, gold-looking brass.
It's gonna tarnish, but it's already tarnishing as we're doing it.
Yeah.
But I'm not gonna worry about the underside too much.
Don't worry about where it goes into the pocket either.
No, I'm not. And it's already starting to oxidize and tarnish again. So, but that's good.
Really,
That's,
as we speak?
yeah, as we
Here,
speak.
show it to the camera. Oh,
You
wait.
see it in
Yeah.
the light? That looks pretty good.
Yeah, it looks awesome.
Okay.
Very
let's start
shiny.
The next one.
Okay.
It's in the box.
So there's that.
Yeah.
One of those couplers, a very nice, shiny looking brass. So now here we're just starting on the other one. And we're not gonna. It's a pretty simple process. I'm not gonna bore you with it, but there's the other one. It's gonna look exactly like that. So that'll look awesome at the ends of the caboose. We got the two finished products of the front and back couplers in their gold-looking brass look, because we finished them up on the wire brush wheel. So I thought it'd be cool to take a little photo op of them hooked together like that. So let's see that right now. Okay, after shining up those couplers, the primer is dry and ready for paint. So we got our black paint here, just shaking it up. And we'll be ready for paint in just a minute. Paint the pockets first. Dang, this is good paint.
Watch you don't get too close because you'll get drilled.
Okay, now we have it flipped over, so now we're going to paint the other side. This time we're painting the whole thing. Looks good.
Okay, let's look it over.
Alright, we're done with the first coat of paint. We're going to let that dry and then give it one more once over with the paint, reshoot the pockets again, and call it good. Looks nice and shiny. As of this point right now, it's ready to bolt back on the frame. Like our process before, we're waiting for that paint to dry out there, so we got the handrails that we pulled off the caboose from episode 1. And since we have this wire brush tool, we're just brushing the paint off it. And it looks like these handrails are made out of steel. So.
Maybe stainless steel, because they didn't rust, that I can tell. Maybe they did. Well,
So we're just taking the paint off these, and I'm pretty sure they'll be colored white again when they get put back on. So I'll have to recheck my prototype pictures, but yep, just getting these clean.
I want to grab it out of your hand. That was looking pretty good.
Looks good.
Oh, wire. Steel wall.
Show that to the camera when you're done there. Look at that.
Little
Looks
steel
good.
wall.
Yeah.
And we'll be good to go.
Nice steel grab iron right there. Alright, so that's what we're doing while the paint's waiting to dry, so let's go check on that paint. Coming up. We're just gonna do a once over with the whole thing and give a second coat to the coupler pockets like everything else. Looks a lot better. And then let me just do the top. Make sure this thing is good with paint. Yeah. Alright, that looks good. Let's get one last shot of it here. There's a finished product right there. Nice and shiny. Finished frame. All the way down. Sides. Pockets. Looks good. I think we did a good job painting with that. Alright, so this is ready to be mounted back to the body, but we're not quite to that step yet. We still have some more phases to go, but looks good now. We'll see you in the next Caboose restoration video. I want that. I wanted to put up the volume. Hold on. Uh-oh. Let me see it. Paint can's really screwed. Sounds like it's running out of air. Happened to it. Let's try a different nozzle. Now we're flipping it over to prime the other side. You just flipped it? Yeah. Oh, I didn't even see it. Are we filming? I don't know. Should I press the button? Super. Oh yeah, we are. Okay. Yeah, okay. Edit that out. Why? What do you mean why? Paint. It still keeps going. Yeah. This is called paint. This? Actually, this is primer, but this is paint. Okay? Hi. Now we're gonna paint. Time out. Time out? This is also a gardening show. And a weeding? Weeding and gardening. Yeah. I have lots of edit work to do here. Yeah, you do. It'll keep you busy. So now we got the coat of primer on. Actually, let me stop it and say that. We got a few episodes. Whoa, careful there. Hey, when that happens. You see, we got the two. Whoop. Yep. Okay, yeah. Okay, let me start that over. Okay. Alright. Or guard dog. Hang. So, that is the frame. I mean the body. Okay. The secondary frame thing. The body. That's what I meant. Gee, I can't even see it with the glare on this.